Yo, good afternoon, everybody. Thanks for tuning in this afternoon on another Closing Bell with Mr. Stacks. Appreciate y'all taking the time to join me. It's been an exciting day. We're back in the green today. I know it's been a long month here in the month of September. Today is the 27th, and it's a little later than usual. I know it's when we post these videos, but kind of just wanted to see how the day played out before we started to catch y'all up on everything that's been going on. I know it's been a crazy last couple of weeks, and we're starting to try to look at some of these potential moves again on some of our favorite stocks that we've been following here over the last month or so. I know a lot of y'all are still active in the Discord, kind of keeping me on my toes, but we're still trading. We haven't stopped trading. We just kind of slowed down a bit here. But we're looking to get at it again. And for all you new viewers out there, if you aren't familiar with the channel, we're trying to put y'all on as to some of these pre-breakout stocks. We're looking to jump on some shares, take positions on certain stocks and companies that are looking to make some big moves. And we do have some of them on our radar as far as some of the ones that we're seeing some movements today. And maybe we'll touch base on some of the ones that we've actually been trading, over the last few weeks. If y'all were able to tune in last night, I did release a special little update for BBIG. I know that it's one of our favorites. A lot of people have been following it, a lot of attention drawn into it. And we're still looking to make some big moves, but you know how we do it here. We usually like to call out, the 4 top picks of the day, or at least 4 of the ones that I'm looking at or looking to trade. If I'm not already in them, I'm looking to take a position, and I'm just trying to put y'all down and, put y'all in the know, let y'all know what's going on and reasons why I'm following some of these stocks. But let's go ahead and jump right in it today. For all you new viewers, though, if you aren't already, subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that notification bell so you can be in the know every time I release one of these. But off the back, we got a BBIG. We got it up here. I'm going to fill y'all in as to how the day played out today. We ended up picking up a new stock, which is Naked Brand, NAKD. We have Red Cat Holdings, RCAT, and we also have Sphere 3D, ANY. This is the one I want to fill y'all in on because you already know this is one of my favorites. We've been holding this one down for a while, and I'm about to put y'all down and let y'all know what's the next moves. What we're trying to do here. Are we moving up? Are we holding? Are we selling? Are we coming down? Like, what's happening? Well, we're gonna catch up on that one here in a bit. That's gonna be the one towards the end of the session here. But off the bat, we're gonna start with BBIG, stock number 1. For those of y'all that watched the video yesterday, I'm gonna post it on the bottom of this one just so y'all can fill yourselves in on what it was that we were looking at, and we're gonna kind of pick up where we left off there. Yesterday we actually closed around 6:30 or so. We're still above where we closed yesterday. But in the pre-market, we actually seen a nice little jump. We gapped up to about 780 from yesterday. Let me go ahead and pull up the daily here, give you a better little idea of what was happening. So you see how we closed, or not yesterday, I'm sorry y'all, this is on Friday. So on Friday we had closed. Reason why I posted that video yesterday, because I already had a feeling we were going to start to move up here. But we closed here, around, what is this, 640 or so. We ended up coming down, I believe, to like 6:30 in the after hours, but in the morning, this morning, man, we gapped up to like 780 or so. Seen a little resistance there. Just not a lot of volume drawing into this stock yet, but we did see enough to make it gap up, But still, we're looking for some better news. We need some more volume to actually make this price move a little bit more. But we're still holding it, y'all. We're starting to see some a little bit of increase here, as to where we played out. Even though we ended in the red today, doesn't mean that we're not gonna move higher. But we're just kind of just holding it down for right now. We just need a little boost, a little kick of something, that's gonna move us up to the next level here. But we do need to break through this. What level is this? Let me dig into the 30-minute. About 772 or so. This is where I have it marked, 772. So that's the kind of next level we're looking to break. Right now we kind of broke through that on the 30-minute, that 200 EMA there, but we're still holding above the last level we called. So we were able to break through this this morning. As long as we can hold here, we should be good, and hopefully we can get some of those updates on this streaming, this contract deal, whatever it is that they got going on, this new I don't even know what it is, but it's something they got going on as far as something they just released. I believe there was an article on this one. was this? This is the morning. Immersive entertainment launch, NFT, streaming, movie, soundtrack. I'm not sure if this is the same one. I believe I read something about a Universal, with Universal, they had an agreement to do another streaming soundtrack with them or something like that. I don't know, y'all. Don't hold it to me. I'm gonna have to get some more news on that. I'll fill y'all in as I find out more. But we need that to be published in order for us to actually, move up. Either that or give us something else that's good. This company's doing making a lot of moves. I'm not sure what they're gonna do next, but that's what we're waiting for here to start driving up this price. But reason why we're not kind of just totally focusing on this one. This one's fun. We're feeling excited this morning when we seen that gap up, but when we started to sell off, we haven't really seen much throughout the rest of the day. I started focusing on some other things, reasons why I wanted to let y'all know what's going on with these other ones also. But we're gonna put this one on the back burner for now. We'll catch up in the morning and see where we pick up. Right now we're holding, support here, 680 or so. Nothing real crazy going on right now. We got a little downward pressure. I'm not too worried, even if we come down a little bit more, maybe 660 or so. I really feel like we'll still hold some support in this range here, give or take. So let's just see what happens come tomorrow. But BBIG, this one's still, one of our top picks here, y'all. We ain't going nowhere. We're holding it down. Those of y'all that watched the video, I told y'all I bought more shares. I loaded up some more, and I'm taking this one for the long ride, y'all. So I'm definitely gonna let y'all know if anything changes with this one here. But for right now, we're gonna move along. We'll come back to this one come tomorrow and see where we're at with that one there. But stock number 2, man, we picked up Naked brand, NAKD. I had somebody mention this one in the Discord, so I ended up checking it out, and I was even like, this one looks like I might want to trade it. So I ended up finding, as we opened the market today, looking for a good position or time to get in, a good price. And before that breakout here, so I started to see us starting to recover from the dip, because we did try to take off as the market opened. But I always don't usually trade in that first bar, so I'll usually wait, kind of watch the 5-minute. But as the 5-minute started to show what I needed it to show, I ended up jumping in around like 75 cents or so, 76 cents. And it was right before that breakout, and then we ended up breaking out, and we've been pushing up since. So this has been a real fun trade. I put a pretty hefty load of shares on this one. It's real good value here. And they do have an update they're probably going to be releasing here soon. I'm not sure, maybe into October. It could be this week, I don't know. But supposedly they got some update on a way of taking their company to some clean energy technology kind of way of distributing their products or something. I don't really know. I don't really know exactly what this company is doing. Naked brand, I've got to look it up. What are they selling? Is it clothes? Is it, I don't know. But as far as what I found out, clean energy, that's always a plus. You already know what that is. What we're about here as far as the economy goes. But this is just one of those things that's kind of causing this stock to move up right now. As you can see, we're still pushing up here, 87 cents, and we're in the after hours. We pushed up already from 82 cents, already pushing to 87 cents. So I call it, looking at the daily, I call it about $1 or so. We'll probably be hitting that level, the next resistance level, if you want to see here on the 4-hour. Possibly right here also, but I already see we broke through it already, so I'm really feeling like we're going to push up to around $1. But is that it for Naked brand? I don't know. I haven't really traded this stock before. I haven't really watched it. I've heard about it. I heard it had a big move, not that long ago. I heard it all somewhere. I like to poke my nose in here and there, but I believe it was back in like June when I started hearing a lot of talk about this one. So when we hit that $1. We are looking to test that $1 here pretty soon. If we can break through this on the daily, this 200-day EMA, I'll be feeling more bullish on this stock, especially if they got a future behind what they're doing. Let's just kind of peek in what they were talking about with this clean energy, or what this CEO's talking about here. Sorry, I know I always read so much, I get confused. I confuse myself sometimes. I don't want to give y'all any false information. Where's this dude talking about that? No. Chairman CEO announced the company believes it has found an opportunity in the clean technology sector. That's kind of all this kind of shows here. I believe there was a little more behind it. But yeah, I don't want to get all into the reading right now. If you want to check it out, look up that article there, and y'all can fill yourselves in on what's going on. But as you can see, look, man, we're pushing 88 cents already after hours. We closed at 83. Dang, we pretty much, pushed up higher than we did throughout the day, just in the after hour, the last 30 minutes, man. That's amazing. So I'm definitely holding my position here. Hopefully we can continue to move higher. But I'm calling a price target about $1 before we may see a pullback. If we can break $1 though, that'd be a good level to, double up maybe, start to move higher. If not, wait for us to come down actually before you double up. About 77 cents, 76. That's where I was calling the support level there. So yeah, that's a good play though, y'all. Feeling good about that one. Naked Brand, y'all. If y'all aren't already in the know, get in the know. Check it out. You got Webull, one of these platforms that show these charts. You can always do your own analysis, but I'm just pointing them out, y'all. It's been a fun ride today. We got it in at a good price, making some money. Let's see how high we can take this one here. That's why it be in the Discord, y'all. That's why I call it, man. When you're in the Discord, you can get on these as we get in also. You can be ahead of the game. Anybody's welcome to join. Strangers, I don't know as far as you being a stranger, but let's get to know each other. Join the Discord. Let's talk. Let's chat. Let's trade. Let's put our heads together. Let's make some money. I'm putting out these videos trying to help y'all out. Hey, well, help me out too. Give me some feedback. You know what I'm saying? But that's what I'm about. Trying to make y'all profitable, and that's why I put these videos out there. But on to number 3, stock number 3. We got ARCAT up here, y'all. ARCAT, they just signed a 5-year contract with NASA, the Space Center, for their satellite technology or orbital technology. I don't know what it is, to orbit Mars and record and videotape and I don't know, some stuff like that. I haven't really read the full article, just little glimpses of little things I've kind of peeked at here and there, but we did see that cause the price to move this morning in the pre-market, and as we started to push up, hitting the high of 424 earlier this morning, we did start to sell off. But as we started to sell off, as you can see, this purple dashed line, this is the 21-day moving average, and as we start to push down towards that 21-day, I'm hoping we can hold support here. I know we've come down a little lower, but I would hate for us to come all the way down here, because I did take a position here and I don't want to pull out. I was hoping to make a gain, kind of reversed on us. Looking at the daily though, which I kind of should have waited, I got a little ahead of myself. That's all me though. I normally would wait for this to close, even though we just gapped up, thinking we would continue to gap up. I should have waited for the daily to close just to see exactly where we are, if we're going to start to move up or down, knowing that we barely broke out through this level here. But I don't think we'll come too far down. That's some pretty good news. I think they're just kind of playing with this stock. As you can see, we have a history back here in July. We had a lot of activity, a lot of price action. We gapped up, not really gapped up, but we pushed up here, and we did hit a high of about a $7 plus. So right now we're about half that, and I really feel like we can get up to these levels again soon. But we need to break through this 438, 440 range price right here in order to continue to move higher. Next resistance level, we're looking about $5, 5 and some change there. Y'all looking to trade this stock, y'all should probably wait. I got in a little higher, around like 370, 368, I don't know, something like that. Excuse me. But yeah, we've come down a little since there, and I hate to come all the way back down here to the $2, man. That's going to be a nice little loss. Hopefully we don't move that far down, but let's see how it plays out. If we can start to push through this, break this 424, hopefully we can start moving higher. I don't think it's over for Red Cat. I think they're doing some good things. I want to start looking into this company a little bit more, but I did see their history and they have moved in the past, so hopefully we can do the same here again. But I'll keep y'all updated on ARCAT, see where we're at tomorrow. Not sure if this volume will continue. Hopefully we do start to still see some volume come in. If not, we might start pushing down lower, which hopefully that doesn't happen. So for those of y'all that traded ARCAT today, I know y'all seen it on the scanner, jumping up. We're up 50% here. A lot of times we do see a little breather after they gap up like that, but hopefully we do see a lot of times too they keep on moving, so maybe this will be one of those plays. If not, I'll be looking to probably pull out, but we'll see how tomorrow plays out. NASA contract. How important is this NASA contract? I guess time will tell. We'll do some more research on that though, and we'll definitely keep you on the loop. But all right, y'all. Stock number 4. This is the one I really wanted to touch base on, man. There's something good going on with this stock. I've been calling it for weeks now. If y'all don't already know, check out the videos. I've posted a few on this stock, but it's Sphere 3D, ANY ticker symbol. This is the stock we need to be watching right now with one of our other favorites. You know, BBIG's at short interest. You know, they got that NFT thing going on. ANY, they got the Bitcoin mining deal, and you know what they just released? They're saying that Elon Musk, the Tesla guy, supposedly he's gonna be looking, you know, to get on the board. What is it? The board of what? I forget. Hold up, y'all. Let me pull this up here. Alrighty. Will likely join M&A partner Gryphon Digital Mining as board member after the merger. Whoa. You notice the founder of Tesla is going to join this company. Hey, they got to be doing something right. You know, what are they doing? What are they hiding? What are they doing that we don't know yet? All I know is look at this chart, man. This chart looks so sexy to me. Is that the word to use? I don't know. That's just how I see it though, right? But check it out, y'all. So I got a long-term trend drawing with this purple line, which I'm gonna just keep this one for now. I might start to do a forecast on this stock here. I thought I had my chart set up. I think they reset. I didn't save them. So I'll come back to this, let y'all know what's going on. Oh no, look, we're starting to fall. We'll see how that plays out though. But yeah, ANY, man, we're starting to get volume. There wasn't enough volume today, but once they released that article, we did see a nice gap up, hitting around like 750. We ended up pushing back down. But look at this daily chart. You see, we got another similar to what we had over here. I was calling. You see, we have those channels. Well, we got the same thing going on with ANY. And right now we're holding level above. This is my buy level, this green right here. So if we're tapping that level, you're gonna be picking up, but gapped up. We've been kind of just zoning in this little range here, but at the same time, we're still showing a little uptrend. You see that? Hitting a high of $12. We're still in that channel. We're gonna start pushing up higher. Articles like this, there was a $45 price target put on ANY. They had to remove it from the website. I'm not sure why, but I'm confident we can hit that level. I really do. Short interest on this is also pretty high. I don't remember what it was at. I think it was like 20-something%. But that's enough to cause this price to rise, man, skyrocket. And not only that, you know, with this Bitcoin mining, they got something going on that nobody else does when it comes to mining Bitcoin. A clean energy way of doing it, clean energy technology. Not only that, they just invested into like 60,000 mining machines, Bitcoin mining machines or computers, whatever they're called. All I know is they got some things coming, man. They're working on it, and they got Elon on board now. He's about to join them on board of their members, a board of members, or whatever kind of board it is. Sorry, it's been a long day. It's just a board member. I'm not sure of what, but yo, that's got to be something good, right? You know how Elon likes to push up a lot of these cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin and Dogecoin, and every time he just throws a tweet out there and these stocks just take off, or these coins just take off. Well, if this is true, I mean, ANY, you know, we may start to see this one move up also. I mean, a little bit of resistance you see on that daily, you know, we pushed up, but look at that candle, man. We're already recovered. We're testing those levels of our previous highs almost, other than that one day. And look at how many times we've tested that level. Bam, 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 bam. We've tested that level so many times. Look at this. You're telling me we're not going to break through that again? Of course we are. Come on, y'all. Come on. As soon as we break through that, we're already at $8. You know, then $10, Dude, we're gone. $15 easy, y'all. $15 easy. You know, let me go ahead and draw this out for y'all. Where's this thing? Oh wait, I got it on my other one. I'm gonna have to do another video. Sorry y'all, can't do it today. I'm gonna have to fill y'all in later on that. But I'm gonna forecast this one out. We're gonna draw the trend out, see exactly what our price target is for A and Y. See if it's true what they're saying. Are we really gonna be able to hit this $45 level? Is it true? Is there a future behind A and Y? Is Elon gonna be part of the company? What are they doing over here? I don't know. To be continued, but we will let y'all know what happens here next time we find out. But this is what's going on. The top 4 of the week, or at least till tomorrow. We'll let y'all know how it plays out. Our cat, you're not looking too healthy, bro. What's going on? But it's all right, y'all. We're gonna be all right. Definitely gonna fill y'all in. Just keep an eye. Don't say I didn't call it. We got BBIG, NAKD, RCAT, and ANY. Get in the know, y'all. Subscribe, thumbs up, show the channel some love, put some money in your pocket. Let me know what it is.